All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back. How are we all doing today? I just want us to go through this post we are seeing here. This is a document revealed what Azania Anyog Ogechikunkere have done. You know, we talked about it yesterday, and it has been revealed that it's no longer secret. People are now paying attention on what he has done, trying to manipulate or not trying. He has done that. And the Rubin now they have now, she's now decided to come out and raise an alarm, which I don't believe. To me, I think they are together in this, but now they are running head-to-head, fighting each other. Anything is possible. So we are going to deliberate more on that. We are going to look into that, in a short while. But the only thing I want you to do is to make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Follow us and make sure you do well by supporting us in any way you can. All right. This is not like attacking anybody or cooking up any story. This is in the public domain. So the document you are seeing here is in the public. It is on the public domain. You can get it anywhere you want. Check on Twitter. Check on CS platform. Check on the Eggman platform. You will see it there. So I'm not the one that leaking anything. Our own is to react on what is a public space. So anybody can lay hands on that. But for the fact that I discussed about this yesterday here on this platform, I think it is a nice thing for me to come back and throw more light on it. So just bear with me and make sure you subscribe, like I said. Follow us as we go through this. Together with you, we may make sense out of it. Because from day one, I have told us that this thing going on is questionable. In my own understanding, it is highly, highly questionable. Some of you may not understand it, but by the time we go through this, some of you may regain your senses. Before the coup plotters, it had been planned that this will happen. And all of them, both the coup plotters and Ogekere and the rest of them, they are all together, they are all in one basket in this issue. They did not just wake up and say, okay, let me just, go and do what they're doing. For the fact that Ogekere beat his chest and decided to sue Biafrans in the name of suing COS or holding people down, should give you a concern. It's not ordinarily. It's not something that is not ordinary. It's not something that he just wake up and say, okay, let me go and do it. It had been premeditated. It had been well planned. Even the Eggman who claimed that he was very close to Plan B, which is Ogekere, in Finland, and they go out together, they stay together, they discuss their plan. This is his words. We deliberated on that yesterday, and I think many of you that watch that video, we can relate very, very easily. Eggman, Searcher, Imam Madabo, Ogekere, Success, Biafra Unite. These are class of people that are not going to give you, that they don't mean anything well, anything good. Based on their ordeal, their activities so far, you can take it to bank. They don't mean anything serious, anything good for you. Their agenda is very simple. They want to show you Imakwandaibo, and that is why you need to open your eyes to follow them closely. All right. So we are going to go through this document before us now. As you can see it on the screen, it is quite tiny. So I'm going to read it out from my handphone because it will be more readable for me. I try my best to expand it, but the more I expand it, the more the text becomes somehow, in a mirror form, so which will not be readable. So I have, a better way to do it, which is to read it out for you to understand that this document, because it is no longer rumor, it's no longer hidden, it is now in the public domain, and everybody is paying attention to that, discussing that. Some of us that are not throwing that are acting as if it doesn't matter. It honestly, it does. It's just that many of us have not decided to pay attention to that, but I have. All right, I have. I want to go through it. I want us to understand that Azania Young, aka Ogechikunkere, some people like to call him, to me, for him to keep on using Azania Young is a concern to me. And his followers as of 2 weeks ago are not telling us that he's a criminal, he's a terrorist, he's this, is that. I'm not the one saying that. Why is such and co are saying that? So this is Rubina trying to exonerate herself from Azania Anyogo, who is now the president of Brigade that he knows nothing about. And Elias that always on oversized trousers. trying to act as he knows everything. He's commander-in-chief of Biafrans, Ndikwere Kobruk, their commander, not everybody. So these are things we need to go through now and iron it out. Let us see what is going on. Let us learn from that. So having said that, I think we should try our best to go through that quickly. Sorry, I was kind of distracted with this another post here, but let's leave it for another day. Now, let's go through this post on the screen. So I will try my best to read it out, and please bear with us. And for some of you that say, where can you find this document? It is in an Eggman platform. You can see it in CAS platform. You can see it in many platforms. Honestly, you can see it. So it's somehow trending for those that care to read it out, to understand what it means. Okay, for the 40 man. Anybody that have criminal tendency, you can't take it away. You can't take it away. He's always there. He's always there. Once a criminal, is always a criminal. Now, let's go through this. I come to you with heavy hearts as we are witnessing shocking evidence around our government. As you all know, Briggy was registered as an entity in the state of Maryland on March 5. Is it 5 or 6? Okay, March 8, 2023. With Honorable Isaiah Anyogu, aka Ogechukwu Nkere, as the resident agent, not owner, resident agent. So please keep that in your mind, resident agent, because from a man that was finance minister sneak out from finance and begin to call himself ATM. From ATM, some of you call APM. Okay, from that, he's now trying to be the not trying. He actually made himself the president based on the registration, based on the document. So when registration was done, they used him as a resident agent, not owner. Note that the resident agent was appointed to serve as a contact for Briggy when dealing with the Maryland state government, and may not have stake in the ownership of the Briggy. Full stop. Are you getting the point? But today, the man is now, he have changed the document. I don't know how he managed to do that in Maryland. Is that how loose the American system is? That from resident agent to the president of the, without any backup, with that. Maybe he forged people's certificate, maybe he forged people's signature. Maybe it's based on, because I think he's forgery. And let me not blame American government on this. I think it should be that maybe he forged signatures of people. Maybe he forged the signature, and people are now taking serious. People are now, the government are now taking him serious as the owner, that they have transferred authority and power to him. It could be what happened here, because I don't see the reason this man will put himself as the president. Now, Ruby Nadu, who wrote this thing, said, surprisingly, a document of amendment recently surfaced showing Isaiah Anyogu, aka Ogechukwu Nkere, as the president of Briggy. Like many of you, I am just learning that Ogechukwu Nkere as the president of Briggy. Okay, let me take it again. I am just learning that Isaiah Anyogu appointed himself the president of Briggy without my knowledge or the knowledge of the directors, Honorable Simon Ekpa and Honorable Imam Madabo. In this Brace Act, Isaiah Anyogu listed my name listed my name on the amendment as the secretary without my knowledge or consent. In this unimaginable and unseasonable that Ogechukwu Nkere will be consumed by extreme greed to the point of appointing himself as the president of an organization he knows nothing about. Ironically, it is on the basis of this forgery that Ogechukwu Nkere wants everything Briggy, including account, to be in his name. This brazen, manipulative behavior by Ogechukwu Nkere must be condemned by all well-meaning Biafrans, and appropriate appropriate remedies must be sought without further delay. The person that signed this is a secretary. Okay, sincerely, I think they made him secretary without his consent. So without her consent, so let me not call her secretary or whatever. But sincerely, he put RN Nadi, something like that. So do the Dr. Ruben Nadi. So Ogechukwu Nkere have truly done the worst. Okay, this is a man that Dabiri and what is his name, Elias, are promoting and suing to sue Biafrans and all that nonsense, which we have actually talked about it here on this channel. All right, we have discussed about it. So imagine somebody who is known for criminality dragging you to court, knowing fully well that he have a lot of issue, like why he such as an ago, like I said, that that woman is very, 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 very funny. He said that Ogechukwu Nkere have that his name is red. Red apple is on red. I think did he say red light or red list, something like that? But you understand that like the name is in danger. That a lot of crime on his name, a lot of issue on issues that are not yet solved, though, on a lot of unanswered questions surrounding his name yet on how drag him to court. Now, this is what COS said in reaction to this issue. So they said, breaking, though these frauds are all the same. These frauds are all the same. Ahmed Dabiri, Elias need to tell us who signed the secretary signatures and who owns and approved the brigade they are using to sue USB and the cabinets. As this secretary on this document here has denied being part or agreed to be part of Ogen Nkere charge to president of brigade. Have denied to be part of Ogen Nkere change to the president. So because he's made the change, now I get it. So meaning that Ruby Nadi have denied of being in any part that she's not aware. She's not aware. She denied being part of or agreed to be part of Ogen Nkere change of the whole document and put himself as president of brigade. This Biafra is sealed to cook to cooks. It is promise. I have told you it's not about going to court or dragging sue her. Let's go. It's about the outcome. I told you the reason why this breakaway from fallback. Ogen Nkere is not smart. He should have known that these guys, in as much as you can push them to anywhere because they refuse to be in your own custody, you may end up regretting it because they don't actually want to associate themselves with your nonsensical behavior. Since you choose to act abnormal, that's your choice. That's your choice because they know. Now they're telling you that, look, I am not part of you. These are people clapping for you. So they go to Fulani. How market now? Can they boast of that anymore? Can they be proud of that as of this day? Anyway, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I decided to react on this way because we have actually touched on this yesterday. So I believe that for some of us that followed us here, this is not a a new thing to you, but a kind of it is making more sense, okay, to many people. And serious, I love the fact that you are keeping the record the way it's supposed to be. Time will tell. Elias na yi trouser can look now original because now you know you need to iji also got caught you will ije better. I can make it better. So my people, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about all of this. Because God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.